Capcom ID is single-handedly the best tool to play multiple games of Capcom. So for that, if you're going to have a Capcom ID, you can play different games easily. And I'll teach you how to create it today. Welcome back to How to Tutorials. So without any delay, let's get back into the video. For that, go to your Google search, or you can just tap on any browser, tap on the search bar here, and then what you can do is enter here Capcom. When you have just entered this Capcom account, you'll get into the first page of Capcom account onto this Google search. So here on the top, you can see a unified account for Capcom's games and lots of things. So tap on it. On the top, you will see that here is a link that is cid.capcom.com, which will take you to the link and the very first page of Capcom itself. On the bottom, just below Street Fighter 6 official website, here is an option of Welcome to Capcom ID where you can sign up. So tap on sign up option here. As you do it, you will get an option of login and sign up where you need to enter your email address and then you need to enter your password for this. So I'm going to enter my email address. You can also do the same and then create a password. You can see that your password must be of at least 8 characters in length, contains at least 3 of the following 4 types of character, that is lowercase letters, uppercase letters, numbers, and special characters. So create of your own. So when you're done creating it, scroll down and then tap on provisional registration option. So here you can see that you're all set for creating it, and now here you can see that you have completed the first step for Capcom ID registration process. A verification email has been sent to your particular email account. So what you need to do is go to your email address and check the email. So here on the top, you can see that I do have a notification for the account registration from Capcom. So I'm going to tap on it. And then what I'm going to do is tap on this link here. You can also do the same. So here, the verification is almost complete. You can continue to enter our user information. So I'm going to go further to enter my user information. You can also do the same where you need to go through your user information and then review information, and then the registration is going to be completed finally. So I'm going to tap on a nickname. So before you create a nickname, you can see that the first character must be alphanumeric. That means you cannot create any nickname just by an alphabet, but it needs to have any number or a special character. So make sure. So you can see that I've created a name for myself. That's a nickname. You can also choose the one just like this. Now select a country or region. So I have selected my country. Now what you can do is you can just enter your date of birth starting with month, day, and year. So just select your month, date, and then select your year as well. After you're done, you can select a gender by tapping on it. I'm going to choose female. You can choose of your own. And you can even set a language for yourself. Since I do prefer English language and it's a native language, so I'm going to tap on English. You can also do the same, or you can choose of your own. So when you're done with all of this, you can tap on this blank option just in front of Resident Evil Portal News later. And then tap on continue option below. So, okay, you can see that here is a notice regarding access information from limited reasons. That means I have successfully registered all of my account. And then you can see that I have successfully entered all of my user information as well. Scroll down and see that I finally created it. And then now what you can do is you can scroll down and then tap on this square box in front of I agree to the contents of the terms of service and privacy policy. After you do this, tap on confirm option below. So here, just by doing it, the Capcom ID sign-up process is completed and you have successfully registered it as well. So you can go to account page and then see all of your information regarding your account, and then tap on this Capcom ID on the top left corner to get into the home page section of your Capcom, where you can just scroll down and see all of the announcement, all of the benefits regarding it, and the features as well. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video.